Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. It's working.
You send me crap.
Oh.
And I code it.
Oh, it's working. A custom
Hack
program.
it. And program it.
I'm a programmer, like a webcam.
To turn it into.
Guys, we're back with another episode of Stupid Setups. What do you guys say we said it that I should do?
Pepsi Pip? A stupid.
Did you hear that?
Setup.
Toothpaste just makes your spit foamy. So anyway, someone sent me diapers. But the thing is, it's a 2-pack and there's only one in there. I've looked. These are from Mark. I don't know where the other one is. I don't know if maybe like you're wearing it or yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna pee my pants if you subscribe. I'm gonna pee my pants. This is from Christopher. Bro, excuse me, Christopher? I threw this box, bro, and that could have been dangerous, Christopher. That actually comes in huge handy because I was using some pliers to open stuff, but I'll just have this large kitchen knife. What did you do with that knife, Christopher? Looks like some sort of RGB thing, little RGB action. That's kind of sick. Oh. Okay, so you can like wall mount this. And then this, I guess, is like a spinny LED thing, like the fan we had way back when. Oh, sick. You just slide these in there. Oh. So these things like spin and display an image. Oh. Did you see it like it lit up? Hold it, I'll break it. I'll break it. Oh. I may have broken it. I guess I should have locked it in a little better. Oh, that one almost came out too, dude. That's why they've got these big locks, I suppose. Honestly, I was scared. I was holding the thing in my hand. Not the smartest idea, probably. I'm gonna mount this thing to the wall. Dinked it. Put a dink in the ceiling. I can't, oh, thank goodness. I got it to lock. I'm scared. This is dangerous. Here we go. I'm scared. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. Oh, sick. Yo! Okay, that's sick. It's like displaying an image. This is dangerous. She's coming with a freaking disclaimer. I'm gonna get hurt. I'm wearing a diaper. What if I can program it to where every LED as it spins reflects the pixel of a screen? That'll be the monitor.
At the end of the video, I will make it a spinning LED gaming monitor.
In the meantime,
Starting setup is this.
Lattepanda Delta 3.
Not sponsored.
Yo.
They are just very kind.
best wishes. They got my name and everything. Oh, it's my size and everything. Poggers. Someone got this, it looked like from a estate sale or something. This is a little TV or something. Got to use this as the monitor to program it, I think. Optimus LCD color TV. Ooh, they're kind of roasty toasted in there, man. I have to do a little work on this. A lot of people might think it's really dumb. Why would you use this dumb little 3-inch TV from 1963 as a second monitor? Well, your monitor has to be plugged into the wall. Mine can be battery powered as long as it's not broken. This crusted. Oh no, it's smoking. I didn't expect this to be so dangerous. I didn't expect me to be in danger. Crystallized. What is crystallized battery acid? Like, why does it do that? Is it the phosphorus? But it's the phosphorus, bro. I don't know what I'm talking about. Antenna. Let's get some alcohol swabs, some new batteries. Let's see if this is gonna do it. After I have a little Pepsi Pip. Always be safe. Really crusty battery acid. Oh! Sorry, I drink a lot of Pepsi. It's scanning for a signal, bro. We're looking for TV channels right now. I have a dongle for this. I have actually every dongle in the world. I dare you to send me something and you're like, I don't think you have the dongle for this. I've got the dongles, bro. Dongle to dongle. Go in here, like that. That dongle plugs into here. Guys. Oh! So it's got almost. Maybe this just needs. Whoever sent this, I'll be ticked if it doesn't work. Oh, is it gonna work? I'm gonna try a different dongle. Yo, it's Windows. You can kind of see it. Yo, it was a bad dongle. I gotta throw that dongle away. You can kind of see the mouse. Oh, yeah, the kickstand is a joke. Optimus, you're gonna have to work on that kickstand for version 2.0. See, then I can right click and then display settings. Did I get it? Oh, it's going dead. Look at that, it's like flickering. Get a picture of that, production crew. Check that out. Setup number 1, 2 out of 10, kind of stupid because of that thing. Just kind of stupid. I will now start programming this to act as a gaming monitor. Programming. Someone sent smellies, Bigfoot smellies. Smells pretty good, honestly. Doesn't smell like I imagine Bigfoot would smell. Ooh, that's very refreshing, honestly. It's kind of like a soapy smell. So whoever sent that, appreciate it. You know what we'll do? We'll hang that on our antenna like Yeah. Oh yeah, someone sent this mouse. It's like a clear mouse. Oh, the clicks are the worst I've ever felt. Spongiest, dumbest clicks I've ever felt. It's like clicking a TV remote. Hear that? That's awful. That's just terrible. Drink break. I have to pee, I have to pee, I have to pee. But you haven't subscribed yet. Honestly, don't worry about it. I'll pee. Sorry, I drink a lot of Pepsi. There's a mouse pad in there too? Mickey Mouse, dude. Oh, Mickey Mouse mouse. And it comes with a Mickey Mouse mouse pad. Mickey Mouse, mouse, and mouse pad. Mickey Mouse, mouse, mouse pad. That thing's ancient. Still has better clicks than the other one though. When was this made, bro? 1789? It was made in 1789? Crazy. They didn't even have like cars yet, bro. I feel like I should like preserve the packaging. Oh, thick, bro. We got the matching keyboard. Oh my goodness, dude. Francesco? Oh my goodness. Glarses can't touch this right now, dude. Oh, listen to that membrane, baby. About to put some MX purples in this bad boy. I wonder if it works. Dude, it's got the big ball. The big stinking ball. Oh, yeah, and it even needs a dongle. Look, it's got this, oh, from 1792. I got a dongle for this. Oh. I just ran into a TV. Hurt my head really bad. This is what I'm talking about. Is it gonna work? I think it might be broken, boys. No, please, please. The dongle is backwards. It's working. Oh, this is friggin' sick. That's sick. Let's take a picture of that production team. That's pretty stupid. Dude, no. Shrek. I sent this guy a Shrek buck. He sent it back. Shrek dollar bill. This is from Kai. Wapa. Wapa. You know what I'm saying? Brother. A Panasonic camera? Kai, my man. There is something special about a nice camera. It's got the battery. Hold on, is there charge in it? Oh, it's got the charger and the necessary dongles to play back on TV? Oh, it smells really bad. Dude, this is special. I like cameras. I like cameras. With the necessary dongles, I can straight up use this as like a webcam and we're gonna like stream from this or something. It feels like someone really took care of this. I'm wearing a diaper. Positive polarity. Plug this in, and then I just need one extension cord. Oh, dude, this moment of truth. I'm pretty excited, dude. I sure hope it works, dude. It's working! I can literally start recording on one of these tapes. I'm about to have the most fun I've ever had. I'm recording. It's got a flippy screen? This is gonna be webcam. VCR mode, I can play it back. Oh my goodness. Dude, this is crazy. Like I'm getting like a...
There's Nicholas. This is a bubble blower.
Draw something.
We're watching Nicholas. Woody!
It's a Woody?
Nicholas, who are your friends?
You're Santa! It really made me laugh.
What is it?
Kai, thank you for this. This was interesting.
This is our webcam. About to hit a Zoom call with this, bro.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. So this dongle goes in here.
Really long HDMI cord.
And that dongle. Yo, that is sick. It's my webcam now. This isn't even stupid anymore. This is a sick setup. Sick, bro. Sick, bro. 7 out of 10 stupid? 10 out of 10 sick though. Last thing, we gotta get this thinking. See if the programming monkey is done programming.
This epic coding montage is legitimately sponsored by Micro Center, where you can get some serious holiday savings
Can upgrade my head GoPro.
for your electronic cravings. Like this 3D printer for $149. Even with a thorough search, it's the best deal you will find. Along with the new year comes a new Micro Center store, and when it opens you'll see a 128GB flash drive for free. Just use my link below. Maybe peek at this P? Nope, it's a PC on the Micro Center build showcase submitted by me, who is supported directly when you click these links, so use the custom PC builder and build a PC shaped like a sphinx. The program sends a live feed of my computer over the network to the spinning LEDs, and so that—
No way. Is this? Oh my goodness. My screen isn't done. Can you see it? I gotta get like a high-speed camera for you guys to see this. I wonder if this camera can see it. Hold on. It's working only on this because it's a film camera. I can't believe it. I can't believe it matters this much. We're gonna hit the Minecraft. This is insane. It's working. In real life right now, there is zero flicker. Dude, this looks actually bonkers. This is insane. I have to pee so bad. I can't believe this is the real world I'm living in. Here it comes. The final setup, boys. Turn the camera on. Turn the camera on. Here it comes. Oh my goodness, dude.
Think about it for a sec. We've all peed our pants countless times.
I'm playing Minecraft. I'm in Mickey Mouse Mad keyboard on a spinning LED.
But even I, as I'm about to pee my pants, think, nuh-uh, I just did once. Oh, what, so you were born potty trained? So let it be a reminder.
Which is a TV from the year 1700.
That no matter who you are, you're breathing right now. And you've been blessed enough to get one day older today.
Thinks it's a barcode. And I think...
GameCube, Mom. It's really a GameCube. I got a GameCube.
There it is. 10 out of 10 stupid, 10 out of 10 sick. Okay, I have to pee so bad, I'll make you a deal. Subscribe and then unsubscribe. I'll still pee my pants. I'm gonna pee my pants now. Okay, hold on, it's taking me a while. It kind of feels unnatural. I can't know if you're subscribing right now, but at the same time, you can't know if I'm peeing my pants. We gotta trust each other. Okay, gentlemen's rules. Gentlemen's rules. Dude, okay, it's leaking. I don't think this was made for a full pee. I'll see you guys in about 13 or 14 months when episode 4 comes out.
Just passing through.